Hello all. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a storage blob in Azure portal. So for this, you want to create a Azure resource group. Under resource group, you will be creating a storage blob. Inside storage blob, you want to create an Azure container to store the files. So the first step will be under categories, select infrastructure services, search storage account, click create, and create a new resource group, textbook by Kenny or G. Okay. Create a unique storage account name like textbook by Kenny store. You should not give cap, that is the error, only lowercase letters and numbers. For performance, go for standard. For redundancy, go for local redundant storage. Click the next tab like advanced. So select the anonymous and the deployment is in progress. So deployment succeeded. Go to resource. Select, click upload. Select existing container. There are no containers, so I'm going for to create a new container. Naming as textbook by any container. No caps. Error will come. Okay. I'm going for anonymous private access level. Okay. So no one can able to access. You will get some error. Then after I will change the access level. So select a file to upload. I selected image. The upload button will be enabled. Click upload. So next you want to see the container. Okay. In the left hand side, click data under data storage. Click containers. Add a file. We have already added, right, while creating the container. Open the copy the link of that file and paste in the new URL tab. And the resource is not found because is private access level. So change the access level from private to blob. Click OK. Then refresh again. It will take few seconds to reload. Okay, that's all. You can able to access the image you have stored in the container in Azure Blob. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow more for more videos. Thank you.